So right here what we're doing is we're texturing the box and the inside chambers with adhesive glue. Basically is just for to like seal the gaps pretty good, you can say, and to give it a little texture so when we paint it the paint has something to stick to and grabs pretty good. Because if you paint just over the MDF, it'll probably soak the paint, and you'd have to layer a lot of coats in it, and it just gets a flat look. But I like that rocky look, that texture look. So we texture it before it. So this is the front of the chamber. You'll probably never see the subs right there where I texture, and then this area right here, but this port you will see. So we have to texture it, and you know, I have the spray gun with the adhesive on it, and the thing is to get it somewhat like a rocky look, and so the paint will grab. But let's start texturing it, and then you know I'll show you, you know, what it looks like at the end. Alright, so now we got everything textured. It doesn't look pretty right now, but once you know we put that paint on it, it's gonna turn a whole different ball game, and that thing is gonna look serious. After that dries, we're gonna go ahead and flat black it, and we're gonna go throw in the green on it. It should give you a nice look. You know, this is the first chamber. You see the texture now that my camera focused a little bit. You'll never see this, but it'll just make me feel good that it's in there and it looks nice. The only thing you'll ever really see is this port right there. So we got to make sure the port looks nice. All my boxes, I always do resin them on the bottom, just in case there's anything that ever leaks. I got a subroof, and I know that thing's gonna get destroyed with the base. So I went ahead and just resin the bottom of it just in case, so and my box never gets ruined. So right now I'm gonna let this dry a bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and paint it and do some magic with this green right there. You know, everything's gonna be green in that trip. Well, not everything, it's just gonna be little green pieces here and there. So I'm gonna get on it right now, let this paint dry. So right now we're gonna paint. Pick the can up real good. We're gonna paint everything black right now, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and throw the green, accents in it. So watch this. Always remember, your first layer of paint, it should just be light. Your second coat should be, you know, somewhat, and your third coat should be the one that covers a lot, and your fourth coat is just like your final touches. So everything looks nice and, you know, all uniform. Speaker box right there. As you can see, I painted it black. And then I went ahead and did some green in it. You'll never see that area at all. Only thing you'll see is this port where the base will be coming out, and you know, it'll be covered up. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these panels right here real quick because they actually sit on top of this like this, so I can start arming the truck. The truck's right here. You know, there's nothing in it. I do got the headliner done. It's green. I still got that wood piece. That's where my TV's hanging down. I got to wrap it, and where the stripper pole is gonna hang from. And I got to actually fiberglass it, then sand it, and then wrap it in vinyl. But for right now, we're gonna wrap these panels. Hopefully the front panels, and just set it in place to see what it's looking like. It is time consuming, but I mean, it can be done. Let me get the vinyl real quick so you guys can see it. Real quick, since this is contact adhesive, you have to spray your panel piece with a little bit of glue, let it sit for a little bit. The more drier it gets, the better it'll stick. And then, you know, you got to put some on your vinyl as well. Let it tack up for a little bit, and then, you know, it should be good, and that thing will never fall off. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this panel. Quick video, look at this. That's what it was looking like, and that it is right there. With that tweeter, that's selenium. That's all we use around here for tweeters. Look at that green. And look at that.
Supposedly one of the deputies have checked out with those.
Good. It's real good. that's what somewhat it'll look like. Now I gotta wrap that other one. Then hopefully we can wrap that one, put the box in, wrap the front quick. You know, that's the seal tape on the box. You see it, once I put the box together, it'll sandwich it and it'll seal it up so no air comes out. I mean, I have silicone and liquid nozzle inside of the chambers as well. So plus with that, it should be with that extra. So right now we're gonna go ahead and load that thing up right inside here. Got that green up there. Start looking like something. So the box is in. Just I gotta finish mounting that thing. Here's a quick view of it. I gotta wrap the black piece in the front and go ahead and do the back panel seats and put them in. There's another quick view. The glare sucks. We got the screws in. Let me tell you what, if you do stuff like this, you do not need the gym. Man, my arms are hurting, but we got them all in. You know, if we want to be jamming, we got to take a little bit of pain. So next, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and drill some holes and then silicone the speaker wire that we're going to feed through it. That's going to be the sub wire. I got a fairly thick, you know, wire, so you know it can, you know, pull a good little amount of power to the subs, so we don't have no complaints. And load these subs up and then put the lid on it, and then, you know, start, you know, going from there. So let me go get these subs. I can show you what I got. I introduce you to the heart of the system, the 412 Cvr 12s. Man, these subs, a good box like this guy right here that we're doing, man, these things are gonna knock. We're doing 10 gauge for the subs. We got to wire them down to a 2 ohm load because we're putting a Kicker 2500.1 on them, and so they can produce the most. Real quick, let me show you all the 412s. Look at these beauties, man. This thing is going to be no joke. Man, it's going to be moving some serious air, but you never know, it could be farting. But I think we'll be alright. So here we're wiring them up. I already got one sub in, 2 subs in, and you know, this is actually the back of the box. The jumper from that sub to this sub, I gotta connect them together, and you know, they're back there. The wire that comes right here. Gotta do the same thing over here, and then put that front lid on. So let's get on it. Man, what you think so far? Comment down below if you think that's, you know, damn, I didn't even paint the top of that, but anyways, you won't ever see it. What you think? Comment, subscribe, do whatever. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's gonna jam? Do you think it's gonna sound alright? And like the port goes through there, bam. The bass goes through there and comes out through the front.
Hey.